Welcome back. So the latest episode brings her tense sequences. Tamsa continues her fight for justice, while several secrets surrounding Tilottima's case begins coming to light. After Tamsa confronts Somdatta calls Tamsa's grandmother and announces that she and her sister will come to deliver the bride to the family during the ceremony. Tamsa's grandmother questions why the mother-in-laws would come, but Somdatta cleverly uses Tamsa's singing talent as an excuse and ends the conversation. Meanwhile, Pratap is shown a photograph of Tilotima and becomes suspicious. When the man identifies her as his daughter, Pratap immediately asks his men to remove him. Later, when Arnab arrives and confirms Tilotima's name, Pratap's suspicion grows even stronger. At the same time, Somu secretly changes Tamsa's sari and leaves another one in its place. When Arnab arrives, he hands the sari to Khagan, who takes it away. Somu then informs Tamsa that the sari has been successfully changed. Tamsa thanks Somu and firmly promises that she will get justice for Tilottama. Meanwhile, Tilottama begins responding in the hospital. The nurse informs the doctor that she is showing signs of consciousness. Although the doctor remains pessimist because of the severe torture she suffered, Sisi refuses to give up hope and declares that Tilottama will survive and prove that she cannot be defeated. A shocking revelation follows when Alex Mother gives Tamsa a bag. When Tamsa asks what is inside, she is told that the bag contains a massive amount of money, around 2.5 crore rupees. Tamsa immediately suspects that the money could be connected to black money and corruption. Abir becomes angry and asks Tamsa to stay away from the matter. But Tamsa refuses to remain silent. She reminds him that a woman was allegedly thrown from a great height and killed, yet nobody seems concerned about what happened to her. The situation becomes even more suspicious when Pratap calls Abir and says that there is no blood on the sari. Abir asks which sari he is talking about and Pratap says it is the yellow one. Tamsa overhears the conversation and asks whether there is some problem with her sari. Abir avoids answering and goes outside to discuss the matter with Khagen. Khagen points out there are no bloodstains on the sari and suspects that someone has deliberately changed it. Abir immediately questions who could have changed the sari. Just then Tamsa arrives and asks what they are discussing. She says she cannot find her yellow sari and asks Millie where it is. Millie claims that she does not know. Abir tries to dismiss the issue, telling Tamsa that she has plenty of saris and can simply wear another one. But Tamsa insists that the missing sari is very expensive. With the sari mysteriously replaced, Tilotima fighting for her life and 2.5 crore rupees raising questions about corruption, Tamsa appears to be getting closer to a dangerous truth. The question now is whether she will uncover who changed the sari and how it is connected to Tilotima's case. Thank you for watching. Bye.